Um, we've got some news for you, and it's kind of a mixed opinion. You can see on the daily chart right here that money flow is going down. This red thing is going down. It's pretty easy to see, but VWAPs are going up, and at any point, and yes, the Caspian RSIs were close, but now they're not really close. So guys, it's low, so I would be very careful shorting this. I'll be very careful shorting this. It makes a lot more sense to go long. What is going on? Is this on the actually on the daily chart? Yeah, it is. It's on the daily chart. And this is on the 30-minute. Yeah, so basically it was very easy to short here, all of these short, stop the shorts right here. And basically we had VWAP going up, money flow going down. We want VWAP curving up. So right now what we will be looking for is basically the following. Potentially a long from here, sweeping these lows, or a short maybe from here. So we have with Confluence 200 EMA. So here is 68 cents to 68.80, because some of you are asking about the prices, and here is 66.30 something to 65.68. These are the two areas I'll be looking for to take trades in. So potentially shorting from here or longing from here with a confirmation, obviously. That's basically the way I'm planning to trade this. If you want to learn more from me, we're up to 174 grand on meme coins. We have other resources as well in the link in the description below, plus a lot of bonuses from BingX 8 grand, welcome gifts, exclusive for referees. Definitely do check them out. This video is no financial advice. Love you with all my heart. Share it with your friends, like it, tell your friends, family, relatives, girlfriend, boyfriend, sister, dog, cat. See you next video. Bye.